Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move the taskbar in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to move the taskbar in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, click on taskbar area and right click. After click on taskbar settings. After click on taskbar and here option taskbar location on screen. So if you went to taskbar left, so click on left. That is. And if you went to top, so click on top. That is. And if you went to right, so click on right. That is. And guys, if you went to taskbar area bottom, so click on bottom. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to move the taskbar in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.